What's up, everyone? It's time. First BFL of the year. Cool, crisp, 48 degrees on the Potomac River. Got my co-angler Clarence with me. There's no second day of practice video because I didn't fish. It was windy and cold, rain. So I just put new line on all my reels, chilled out at the Airbnb, and we're out here getting ready to go. We're gonna have the national anthem in a little bit. We're gonna see how it goes. High tide for most of the day, so that really fits the spot. I'm gonna fish.
To calm the winds and calm the waters, we ask that you place a hedge of protection around this group of anglers today and give them what they ask for, a good catch and safety. Good morning, anglers. The official time is 5:55. The official time is 5:55. Thank you for all that serve, who have served, and continue or will serve in the future. Remember them, they give us this freedom to come out here today and enjoy this beautiful nation that we have. 40. Boat 41. Boat 41. Thank you, 41. Boat 42. Thank you, 42. Boat 43.
There we go. No. Yeah, it'll work. Yeah, he's 15, right? Number one. Sun feels good. The sun feels good. gonna be short. Where'd all these little ones come from? Where are you going? Ah, fucker! Son of a bitch. God damn it. That was a good one. Fucker was running right at me. Oh, I do have him. Hey, that's fucker. Oh! Oh! Fuck! Dude, he took it and I never got a hook set in him because he ran. Fuck. Dude, that was a pig. Alright, we're not missing any more fish for the rest of the day. So we're not missing any more fish for the rest of the day. That's pitiful. We're gonna fish out to the end here, then we're gonna go for a ride. There's a spot up here. He's a good one. Yeah, hand me the net. I don't know. Hold on. I can put him in the light real quick. Let's see.
brother was at the dock, and he said, "You got some good fish?" He said, "No, this your brother." I said, "Have you ever won one?"
No. Nope.
Got a trophy?
Nope.
Really?
Nope.
I got your trophy of 4th place.
Yeah, no, but I do stupid stuff like what's happening today. And it pisses me off so bad. You gotta be perfect.
Yeah, I was perfect, and I caught all of my bass in 2 hours.
You know what I'm gonna do? Gonna be different. Gonna wacky rig them. It's a good spot because there's a big hole out here. It's like 12 foot deep. Tell you what, the water temperature dropped 7 degrees. It was 74, 67. Yep.
Oh my God. Did you see that bass?
Was it a bass? Yeah, I don't think. He'll be close.
Yeah. That's just same fucker I've seen. Yeah.
Ozark rig.
Huh?
An Ozark rig.
Oh yeah, I ain't never used it.
Come on, be 14 inches. 15.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
3.
3. I should be culling. All right, let's go. It's actually a really nice drop off. They're right on the bottom of that drop off. Here's one. Oh yeah, net. God damn it!
My brother used to use Procare.
I've never had a problem with them. This is a finesse hook. Fuck that hook. Oh, this is fucking asinine. What am I gonna do? Just going straight nose hook and being done with it. Motherfucker. Yeah, that looks like a good one. Yours stay on. The fuck? It's a nice one. Sunfish out there or something.
Huh?
Must be sunfish out there or something. Thank you, sir.
Hayward Saxton the third.